Azul, a hawksbill turtle from the Caribbean Bay. Let's go for a swim and count with my sea creature friends. Off we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 manta rays in the bay today. Watch them glide and swim and play, dancing gently in a graceful way. Manta rays are peaceful and big. They flap their fins like wings as they zig and they zag. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count the seahorses once again. Wiggly tails and little fins, floating softly on the currents and winds. Did you know it's the dads who carry the babies? Seahorses are very special. We say is when it's only one. We say are when more have come. One fish is small but 5 fish are bright. Let's learn our words and get them right. Words help us explain what we see. Like numbers, they're helpful every day. Let's count some more, come this way. Past the reef where bright things sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again. Those are anemones. Aren't they brilliant? They cling to rocks and wave in the water. Now Azul is teaching 2 little clownfish how to count. Can you help us count, Azul? Absolutely. Let's count all the way to 20. Nice and steady now. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The clownfish are cheerful and there are plenty. Wiggling here, wiggling there. Let's count again, we're nearly there. Let's count one more time before we say goodbye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant. Well done, everyone. Learning to count helps us every day. And remember, we keep our beaches clean in every way. Bye-bye from Azul and all our sea friends. Keep counting, keep smiling, and care for the ocean and beach till the very end.